Hey, hello, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to explain about what are all the software that are available for Vedic astrology. Okay, so before beginning, if you guys not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and click the like button. And if you guys have any doubt after watching this video, please do mention it in my below comment section. Okay, and yes, please do you can follow my Facebook community page, Parikshit Astrology also. So let's begin. So now guys, I'll explain about the Jagannatha Hora. So in the previous video, I have explained about the AstroSearch software. So in this video, I'm going to explain about the Jagannatha Hora. So I'll just share my screen so that you'll get to know how to install and download and how to handle the Jagannatha Hora. Okay. So guys, go to Google, type here as Jagannatha Hora and press enter. So the first link that you'll get, you need to click on that. So after clicking, you'll get the website of the Jagannatha Hora, the main website. So you need to scroll down. So you'll get a download section. So you need to download the third one, guys. Okay, not the first two, the third one, because it's a new version. So just click on the download. I've already downloaded the zip file. So it will come in the zip file, guys. So just click on the download, guys. Because for the sake of showing you guys, I just download it. Okay, so you'll get somewhat like this. So after installing, guys, I already installed, that's why it's showing as 1.zip. So jh full install 1.zip. So if you are not installed, you'll get it as jh full install.zip. That's all. So after installing, guys, so you need to go to the files. Okay, file explorer of the files. So I'll get it somewhat like jh full install, guys, in the download section. So just right click on that. Okay, and you need to give it extract all. So wherever you want, you can give it. I'll just browse it. Okay, and just give it on local disk E, since I already installed it and downloaded it. No need to give it once again for me. So that's okay. So I'll just cancel it. You need to click select folder, but I'll just cancel it since I already installed it. Okay, so I'll just remove it. So I have already installed the Jagannatha Hora on the this one my desktop. Okay, or the computer, whatever. So I have double clicked on Jagannatha Hora software icon. You'll get it. Okay, when you unzip it or extract it and then store it or browse it on the local disk of your computer, or like C, D, E, or F, you get the icon. You need to click on that. So if you open it or double click on it, so you'll get somewhat like this type of interface, guys. Okay, first. So after that, if you want to get your own horoscope, just press on edit, press on the birth data, or you can even give it as control D, whatever. So just give it and just type here everything, all your birth data and all everything. Um, and another thing is that if you are born in USA, since this uh, Jagannatha Hora software owner, that is PVR, was in USA when he did or created the software. That's why he has written the USA separately and all other countries except USA. Okay, so since if you are born in USA, so you need to give it as search in USA and then give it a city name. Like let's say for example, if you're born in Los Angeles, okay, so search in USA, so Los Angeles, whatever. You need to check if it is West Virginia, then it's okay, fine. If it's not, then you need to give it as all states. Okay, if you are born in California, so if you're born in Los Angeles, so Los Angeles, California, it will give. Okay, so if you are not getting the particular state or the city name, just give the longitude and latitude and then press OK. So the birth chart is created. So let's say, for example, if you're born other than US country, so if you're a non-citizen of US, so then click here, then click on the rest of the world. So click here and give it as, let's say for example, India. Okay, so you'll get India. So let's say if you're born in Mumbai, okay, and give rest of the world and give okay. Yeah, so it changes because the longitude and latitude different from the US and from India, so it changes. So if you want to give, let's say for example, any other country, let's say if you are UK, okay, United Kingdom, so UK, so then give the place name as London, let's say for example. So give rest of the world, or you can just yeah, whatever, and just give okay. So see, you'll get it like this. Okay, guys. So let's say for example, if you want to see the dasha, so click dasha here, guys. So now it's 2021 December. Okay, so 2021 is Venus dasha is running for this person. You can click Venus Mahadasha, and Antadasha that the person is running is, so let's say for example it's 2021 December, right? So you need to click here Rahu Antadasha, and the Pratyantadasha the person is running, okay, will be, which is Venus, okay. And if you again uh, click the Sukshma Dasha, you'll get it. And then if you click on the Sukshma Dasha particularly, you will get the next particular dasha, which is Prana Dasha, which I have not explained you guys. The Prana Dasha and the, again, if you go to something known as Deha Dasha is there, okay. But I'll explain in the later videos. So you just keep seeing, okay. Uh, Now, since it is the Sukshma Dasha, if you click on particular next, you'll get the, sorry, yeah, you'll get something as Prana Dasha, and then if you click again, you get Deha Dasha. Okay, this is just an example, guys. Okay, I'm just showing you. Now, coming to the transit, if you click transit here on the top, okay, so you'll get the current transit. What are the transit thing the person is currently running now? Okay, so you can see here. Now, after seeing the transit chart, if you want to check the Shadbala, so go to the strength, you can check which planet is strong. So if you see here, almost all the planet is equal, but Venus has got a little more bit powerful, okay, because since it's receiving 128 points or 128% of Shadbala, so it will give the good result for the person during the Mahadasha and Antadasha. Okay, like that you need to. So same thing goes for the other things, like it might be uh, Vim Shopaka Bala, Ishtapala, Harshapala, and yeah, same thing, Ashtakavarga Bala. So if you want to see the Ashtakavarga, click here Ashtakavarga below, guys. So you'll get the Ashtakavarga, Sarvashtakavarga, and Binashtakavarga, guys. Okay. Now, if you want to see the yogas, click on View, click on Yogas. So you can see the Raj Yogas and different yogas. Okay. So guys, if you want to see the different divisional charts individually, right click on the Nadal chart, go here. So you can, if you want D2, D9, D3, D4, whatever, up to D30 or even higher divisions like D40, D45 and everything. If you want to, let's say D108, okay. Or let's say for example, Sastyams D60, known for previous past life or present and your future. Click here. So you'll get D60, okay. So if you want Bhavachali chart, click here Bhavachali chart. So click on Bhavachali based on D1. So you'll get it here. Okay. Bhavachali chart based on D1 chart. And Bhavachali chart based on different divisional charts you'll get. Okay, which is a good. So guys, this is all about the Jagannatha Hora. Okay, so if you want about the KP, you can just click here KP chart, or the not the KP chart, I mean the significant houses. Okay, so you'll get to know about the significant houses, the what are the planet or the house represent a particular cusp or the cuspal sublot. So here the person ascendant cuspal sublot is Venus. So first cuspal sublot is again Venus, second is Jupiter, third is Venus again, fourth is Saturn, fifth is Venus, sixth is Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Venus, Jupiter. So many Venus, Jupiter are waiting for this person, okay, and even Saturn. But if you see the Nakshatra Lord, you can see here, you'll get it, okay. So if you want to go back key info, you can go in. Okay, so let's say for example, if you want to see the divisional chart, planets placed in particular nakshatra, so right click here. Okay, so go to the choose divisional chart for longitudes, click on it. Okay, so you'll get whichever divisional chart you want. So let's say I want D10 guys, and press OK. So you'll get the D10 chart part. Okay, so let's say for example the D10 chart, Sagittarius ascendant. So here it's showing Sagittarius 7 degree, 2 minutes, so 2.5 58 seconds. Okay, it's in Mula Nakshatra, so third pada, Sagittarius Rashi. Okay, it's 9 number. Okay, so Jupiter is placed in Pisces. So you can see here Jupiter planet is in Pisces at 4 degree Uttarabhadra pada 1. Okay, so that's how you need to see. Okay, so yeah, that's all about the Jagannatha Pura, guys. So if you have any doubt regarding this, so just write down your doubts in my comment section so that I can clarify you. So yeah, this is it for today, guys. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe below or else I'll see you in the next video. So if you want any consultancy, please do contact to my given below WhatsApp number, or else you can even mail me also. So until and unless, thank you, bye bye, love you, take care.